Hello guys and welcome to the first video on this channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10e in Cardinal Red. As you may know, this color isn't available in every country, but I could buy it easily because I'm living in Switzerland. Maybe you noticed that I'm not a native speaker. The S10e is kind of a smaller version from the S10. Also, it's got a bit less power, but in my opinion that doesn't matter because I don't play in mobile games. The CPU, for example, is the same, it just got a little less RAM. Of course, it also got those little features like wireless power share. Here we go and take the phone out and we instantly see this red color stands out. I paid 60 bucks more than the normal price just to have this beautiful red color. By the way, this phone is the only Android phone in its size. As you can see, there were those little foils on the edges and on the screen, which had no handle to pull it off. It took me about 2 minutes to take these foils off. And it was terrible, because I felt like I'd scratched my phone before I even unboxed it. The reason why I bought this phone is because I love Samsung phones, but I hate those edge versions. This is the only current Samsung phone with no edges. Finally, every foil is removed. Now the other equipment in the box. Beginning with the fast charging adapter. It's pretty much a very normal adapter, nothing interesting. Then we got headphones which don't sound great and don't even fit in my ear. And we've got a tiny USB-C to USB adapter in case you want to use an USB stick. And of course a pretty much normal USB charging cable. The headphones are from AKG and as I told you, not really great. By the way, I think it's senseless to sell headphones with the phone. Those who need headphones already got some. They just increase the price of the phone and are pretty much senseless. It's just a money and material waste and it's environmentally unfriendly. At least the cable's not made of plastic, so they live longer. Cause plastic easily gets cracks. And you get some replaceable ear tips for bigger or smaller ears. That's pretty much everything what's in the box. By the way, I tried out the wireless charging feature and it also works through some cases. And it works really fast. The setup was really simple but not really fast. As you can see, there were lots of long loading times. But maybe that's because my internet connection is very slow. That's it with the unboxing part of the S10e. The review video will come soon. Let me know if you like the color in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.